Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. Always been a fan of paella, simply love it. Decided to do a spin on it and do this chorizo rice. Absolutely beautifully spiced. It's a complete meal, perfect for any occasion, and lots of flavors. You're gonna love it, so let me walk you through this. Okay, I'm going to kick things off here by adding a couple of tablespoons of olive oil to a preheated pan over medium-high heat. Add in about 15 slices of Spanish Chorizo, and if you don't want to have this, you can use sausage. Next up, a small bell pepper, about 3 cloves of garlic, and a small onion. Season this up with some salt and of course some pepper. And I'm going to stir this around just until the onions are tender and translucent. And this is going to take, I'd say about 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, a tablespoon of one of my all-time favorite spices, paprika. And we're just going to give this a stir around. Followed by 2 cups of rice. And stir it well until the rice is coated well. This smells so good, guys. After that, we're going to add in 3 cups of chicken stock. Then 400 grams of diced tomatoes. Give it one last stir. Doesn't this look incredible? Okay, now everything is nicely combined. We're going to go ahead and bring this to a boil. After a boil, we're going to reduce the heat to, I'd say medium-low. And let it simmer uncovered for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, it's beautifully done. The rice is tender, so I'm going to go ahead and garnish this up with some chopped parsley. And there you have it, guys, our chorizo rice. So let's go ahead and dig in and give it a taste test. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so good. The rice is tender. I just love the chorizo. The spices are great. You gotta make this. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching and thanks for subbing, and see you next time.